Brian Johnson, owner of Innovative Tools, and today I want to talk to you about the Innovative Truck Bed Dolly. A couple really unique things about our dolly. Here, as you can see, we can just tip it up on edge, so when you're not using it, it pretty much has a zero footprint. And another really unique feature nobody else has is the total lock wheel. It locks the wheel and the stem. So I mean, it may not sound important, but if you're a tech and you're working on this job, you lock that wheel, you can hop up into the box, it's stable, you can be working on the side of the box, there's no movement, so it's a really nice feature. And now I'm going to go ahead and open it up for you and show you how easy it is to use. Got these pins right here, you just pull the pins, tip that in an upright position, go to the other side, tip it in the upright position. Now we have these supports, you have to put these in, that's where you get all your strength, but they just slide in like this. You just come, lock your T-handles there, go do the same thing to the other side. So you're all locked there. Now, if you're using a short box, this works just fine in this position, but we also have it so you can do larger boxes. So you can do a full-size truck box on this. As you can see, it's got a nice rubber pad on it, so when you set your box on it, it's not moving around on you. And you also have this height adjustment. Got safety pins here, you just drop those in place. Lock the safety pin, tighten the T. Now you can get the box up to a nice comfortable working height. Like say with the total lock wheels and the rubber pads and just how stable this is, it's by far the best truck bed dolly on the market.